Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Nurdiana with NPM 234111039, class MNG 23A. In this presentation, I will discuss material about definition, right, application, and the difference between tax and levies. Understanding the crucial role of taxpayer in national development. Definition of taxpayer. What is taxpayer? 1. According to Law No. 28 of 2007 on general provision and tax procedure, a taxpayer is an individual or a business entity, including taxpayer, tax withholder, and tax collector who have tax right and obligation in accordance with tax law and regulation. 2. Individual taxpayer. Any person who earns income or possesses wealth that meets the criteria for taxation. Example include employers, entrepreneurs, and professionals. 3. Corporate taxpayer. A group of people or capital that form a legal entity whether in connection business or not. Example include limited liability companies, OLPT, partnership or CV, foundation, and cooperative. An inclusion of people and companies filling out tax form. Taxpayer right protected by law. 1. Right to file an objection and appeal if a taxpayer believes there is a disbursement in tax assessment. They have the right to file an objection with the Directorate General of Tax or an appeal to the tax court. 2. Right to argue for overpaid tax. If a taxpayer has overpaid, they have the right to request a refund. 3. Right to a reduction or elimination of sanction. Under certain conditions, taxpayer can appeal for a reduction or elimination of administrative penalties. 4. Right to debt confidentiality. Tax officials are prohibited from disclosing taxpayer data to unauthorized parties. 5. Right to education and guidance. Taxpayers are entitled to receive information and guidance from the dignity regarding tax regulation, e-costs, symbolization, justice, procession, and information. Taxpayer obligation. Responsibility of a taxpayer. 1. Register to obtaining a taxpayer identification number, NPWP. Every taxpayer must have an NPWP as their tax identity. 2. Calculate, pay, and report the tax. Taxpayers are obligated to calculate their own tax, pay them on time, and report the total and tax to our. 3. Maintain and store books or record. Taxpayers are required to keep transaction evidence and financial record for a specific period. 4. Cooperate with tax audit. Taxpayers must be cooperative when a tax audit is conducted by a tax official. Equals requesting document, a log, and a calendar to show reporting responsibility. Next, example of tax and levies. Real-world application. Example to tax, income tax, value-added tax, land and building, motor vehicle tax. Example for levies, public parking levies, waste collection levies, health service levies, at communication health contracts. Building permit levies. Visual relevant image such as PMP build a banking site, or public facilities. And last conclusion, why this is important, taxpayers are the main pillar of state financing with the right and obligation that go hand in hand. Understanding taxpayer right allows us to receive service from the government. Fulfilling tax obligation is our taxable contribution to national development. Differentiating between tax and levies help us understand how government funded and collection and use it. Closing statement. The tax you pay are a real main phases of your participation in building the nation future. Visual, a symbolic image representing Indonesia. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.